Chapter 1 Experiment. Aim to find the value of V for different values of U in case of a concave mirror and to find the focal length. Apparatus. An optical bench with 3 uprights, 0 and upright fixed, 2 outer uprights with lateral movement. The given concave mirror with holder, 2 optical needles, one thin, one thick, a knitting needle at a half meter scale. Ray diagram. Figure 1.1 focal length of the concave mirror. Theory. When a beam of light parallel to the principal axis falls on concave mirror, it reflects the beam which passes through the focus. The nature and size of image depends on where the object is placed in front of the concave mirror. The focal length f of a concave mirror is related to the object distance u and image distance v by the following formula known as mirror formula. 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, or 1 by f equal to v plus u by u v, or f equal to uv by u plus v, where f equal to focal length of concave mirror, u equal to distance of object needle from pole of the mirror, v equal to distance of image needle from pole of the mirror. Note, according to sign convention, u and v have negative values, hence f comes Procedure. To determine rough focal length, place the concave mirror in mirror holder. Now go out in the open and face the mirror towards a distant object like tree, building, etc. Obtain the image of the distant object on a white painted wall screen. Adjust the mirror forward and backward to get a sharp image on the wall. Measure the distance between the mirror and the image of the distant object on the wall screen. This will give the rough focal length of the mirror. To set the mirror, place fixed upright near 0 end of the optical bench and the 2 other uprights with lateral movement near the other end. Clamp the holder with mirror in the fixed upright, keeping mirror face towards other end of the bench and surface perpendicular to its length. Make mirror surface vertical by using leveling screws of the optical bench. Note the position of the index mark on the base of mirror upright. To determine index correction, find index correction for distance between pole of mirror and tip of the object needle, and also for distance between pole of mirror and tip of the image needle as described below. Take a knitting needle and measure its length. Place all the 3 uprights with mirror, object needle and image needle on the optical bench. Place a knitting needle horizontally touching the pole of mirror and tip of image needle. Note down the positions of the uprights on the optical bench. We can fix the mirror holding upright and move the image needle upright towards the mirror upright to make the needle touch both of them. The difference between actual length of the knitting needle and the distance between the uprights as noted from the optical bench gives index correction. Similarly, find out the index correction for mirror and object needle. To set the object needle, take the thin optical needle as object needle O, mount it in second upright. Move the object needle upright and clamp it at a distance in centimeter, nearly 1.5 times the obtained rough focal length of the mirror. Adjust height of the object needle so that its tip lies on a horizontal line through the pole of the mirror. With left eye closed, see with the right open eye from the other end of the optical bench and Inverted and enlarged image of the needle will be seen. Tip of the image must lie in the middle of the mirror. If image is not seen, move object needle upright away from the mirror. Note the position of the index mark on the base of the object needle upright. To set the image needle, mount the thick optical needle image needle in third upright. Move the upright near the other end of the optical bench. Adjust the height of the image needle so that its tip is seen in line with the tip of the image when seen with right open eye. Move the eye towards right. The tips will get separated. The image tip and the image needle tip have parallax. To remove the parallax, shift the image needle towards or away from the mirror. The parallax becomes removed tip to tip. Note the position of the index mark on the base of the image needle upright. Record all the positions of the index marks in the table. Move object needle upright towards mirror in steps of 1 cm to get distance of needle from mirror. Repeat the experiment. Move object needle upright away from mirror in steps of 1 cm to get object and image distances. Repeat the experiment. Record all the observations and calculations. Record all the observations in the following table and calculate the values. Result.
Precautions.
The uprights should be vertical, tip to tip. Parallax should be removed between the needle eye and image of the needle O. To locate the position of the image, the eye should be at least 30 cm away from the needle. The heights of the optical needles should be adjusted so that their tips are just in line with the center P of the concave mirror. Index corrections should be applied to the object and image distances. Sources of error. The uprights might not be vertical. Parallax removal might not be perfect.